Well, after large-scale ICE raids this month across the Denver metro, there are concerns from immigrants about whether they can trust law enforcement. In fact, the DA for Colorado's 23rd Judicial District says anyone who is a victim of any crime should feel comfortable calling police. As Denver 7's Ryan Fish shows us tonight, advocates are now taking steps to make sure immigrants know their rights.
As the Trump administration ramps up its mass deportation plan, fear has ramped up in immigrant communities. Law enforcement around the metro worry that fear will silence undocumented immigrants who are witnesses or victims of crimes.
What I don't want to see is there becomes such a fervor and zealousness for let's just kick them all out. We're just here to kick them all out. That all of a sudden we've created a less safe environment because people will not come forward and cooperate.
Republican District Attorney George Brockler leads the new 23rd Judicial District that covers Lincoln, Elbert, and Douglas counties. He supports more cooperation between Colorado's local leaders and ICE, but says his goal is to only target people who commit crimes.
I don't enforce immigration law. That's not my job. I don't work with ICE in that way. And so if someone's a victim of a crime, even if they're here illegally, you have my full attention and you have my full resources to try to bring you some kind of justice. That's going to happen.
Brockler knows that starts with building trust.
I think there needs to be more face-to-face outreach.
Coincidentally, on the same day we spoke with Brockler, Aurora Police Chief Todd Chamberlain did that, speaking with and taking questions from the immigrant community at a Know Your Rights event at Mountain View United Church.
What we don't do is enforce immigration laws. That is not our role. Our role is to make sure that people are safe and that people who have been victimized feel safe enough to come to the police.
He credits the victims who came forward after they were allegedly kidnapped and tortured at the Edge of Lowry apartments in December by members of their own Venezuelan community.
Because of their courage, their victimization was stopped. And that's what I want to make sure everybody here, whether you're documented, undocumented, you know that you can trust the municipal law enforcement agency because that's what we are here for. We are
hoping to reassure a community full of uncertainty right now. In Aurora, Ryan Fish, Denver 7.